Your beauty enchants this person. Before this individual met you, they were not thinking about a relationship. They were not blown away by others' beauty or looks. They were just focused on their singlehood. They were just focused on bettering themselves. They didn't even want a relationship. That was until they met you. Now, it's not just about your physical attributes in regard to this individual. There's something about your beauty and your inner beauty, I may add, that stirs this person from within. You let them confront things that they have stuffed down. You allow this person to open up to you in ways that they have never opened up to others before. This person actually connects to your soul. They find your soul to be very beautiful. Now, in the past, they may have just connected to people maybe on a surface-based level or maybe on a mental level. But with you, they're now finding that they are connecting to their own soul. And that's due to you and your beautiful soul. You have brought up some fears in regards to this individual. Fears that are extremely uncomfortable, obviously, but they feel as if you have something raw but pure about you. There's a lot of depth with you, which they find extremely enticing and alien-like, because they've never had an experience with someone in the way that they have with you. You know, you allow this individual to tap into emotions that were dormant. And you make this person feel things that they've never felt before. I feel like this person's heart was closed off, and it still could be closed off. But this individual is learning to walk away from hiding themselves, shielding themselves. They felt like to be in an energy of having a closed heart was a form of protection. And they felt as if no one would accept them in the way that they were. So for some of you, this person was unhappy with being single. They felt like no one would want to date someone like them until they met someone like you. They always felt that people would leave them in the end, so they put up their barriers. But now they're transforming. You see, this individual gets lost within you. There's something about your energy. It's very potent. It's very strong. And this person feels drawn towards you. This person cannot stop staring at you. And whenever they encounter you, it's almost as if they're in some sort of trance. They feel as if whenever they are around you, whenever they're speaking to you, whenever they see you, no one else exists except for you and them. This individual feels captivated by you. They're very taken aback by your power. They find you extremely powerful, and they feel like you have some sort of hold and power over them. They can't stop staring at you. When you're talking to this individual, or if you see this individual, they have to stare at you to make sure that encountering you is even real. They're blown away. You know, this person is trying to understand these emotions. It's almost as if they're trying to tell themselves, no, I can't get carried away. I'm not going to, fall for this. And, it's something around that type of energy. But there's another side to them that feels like, I may never get an opportunity like this again. Let me explore this. Let me see where this is going to take me. you know, and this person thinks about you constantly. For some of you, they could be asking like your siblings, if they know your siblings, or people in the neighborhood about you. For some of you, they're online looking at your pictures, wanting to reach out, texting you, then deleting it, or just simply following you on social media under a different name. I feel like they stare at your pictures as well. If they see you on social media, they are blown away by your beauty. They're blown away by your charm. This person definitely wants to converse with you. And they want to give back. So maybe for some of you in the past, you were giving more than you were receiving. And I feel like this person wants things to be balanced. They want to reciprocate everything that was given in the past. This individual feels as if you are out of their league. And because of this thought, for some of you, this made this person act maybe coldly and harshly towards you, or they acted as if they weren't interested. This person feels like to stand beside someone like you, they will have to change a lot of things about themselves. They're quite intimidated by you. And for some of you, I feel like this person downplays how they feel about you, but they can't escape how they feel about you. It's all over their face. They can't stop staring at you. And I feel for some of you, again, they may try and ignore you. But when they do look at you, when they do see you, whether it's in person or in pictures, they are blown away. They see you as a celebrity or like some sort of superstar. I'm hearing Beyonce's alien superstars, like you're very otherworldly. They've never encountered a beauty like yours before. They're taken in by your eyes, your mouth, your nose. There's something about your nose. You could have a very pointy nose, or for some of you, you could have very large, expressive eyes. You could have very, small lips. For some of you, you could have a thick mane. You stand out, and it's more to do with your aura. I feel like this person feels as if you are very proportioned. It's like they feel very giddy whenever they see you, whenever they're around you. They think to themselves, where did you come from? How can someone be so beautiful? How can somebody be so bubbly, so lighthearted, so cheerful, so happy? Your energy uplifts them. This individual, for some of you, if you're dating them, they want you to meet their family because they're just so excited by you, your energy, what you offer, what you bring, how you make them happy, that they feel like their family has got to meet you. Once their family meets you, their family's going to fall in love with you because they just want to show you off, and it's almost for some of you, they want to, for some of you, they could be competing with their brothers or their siblings, right? Their sisters. And they want to show you off to say, look, see, I've got someone that's out of everyone's league in here. They want to stunt on their siblings because maybe in the past their siblings may have made them feel like, they were never going to get into a relationship, or no one would take them seriously, or they had to be a certain way to get a partner. But they feel like, and it's not just in a vanity way, they want to show you off, to show people that, look, I can get high caliber, men or women, and I love this person. For some of you, I let the cat out of the bag, and this person loves me. Say something. You could never get someone like yourself, but this person is not wanting you to just be someone that they can just show off. They actually do see a future with you. They do want to settle down with you, but again, they feel like they need to work on themselves. They don't want to come towards you, for some of you, when they know that they need to filter through their emotions. They know that they can be moody. They know that they can be, unbalanced, and they don't feel like you deserve it. They feel like you deserve the best version of themselves, and they're going to make sure that they deliver that to you. They're going to reach out. They feel like if they lose a situation with you, they're going to regret it. They are in love